Okay guys, it is JG Beast Mode back with another video, and it's going to be a pack opening. It's a 2-for-1 deal. It's really good. You get really good players. So, let's test my luck. Sorry if this isn't good. This is my first time doing this, so... I don't think I need him. Robert Gronkowski, I already have him. Latavius Murray, he's an 83. I have a better running back. I have an all-elite team, so I don't really need anybody. Jack Conklin, Alex Smith, Tyrod Taylor, Marquise Pouncey. Let's see what else we have here. Graham Gano, already have him, and Song. And there's two more. Let's see what I get. This might be lucky, it might not be lucky. Ooh, Cameron Jordan. And Telvin Smith. So, this wasn't really a good go around. So, I think I'm gonna pick Cameron Jordan. Well, guys, at least I got Cameron Jordan. He's an 89, pretty good. But, sorry if that was a little cringy. So that's our video for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to put a like button on the comment box, and bye.